Hey guys, what's up? So I'm back with another video. I wanted to show you quickly how I do my lace frontal customization. I didn't get the whole thing filmed because it was just too much time to try to do so. So this is what the hairline looks like before, and I'm gonna go in and just do a little bit of customizing. This frontal is adhered down with a waterproof adhesive and it is edge safe. However, the majority of the adhesive is applied before her hairline and her edges. So I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of Got to Be Glue gel, which most people are familiar with, and it adds a little bit of a hold to the edges so that they'll stay and she doesn't have to worry with them quite so often. So I'll let you guys just watch. If you do have any questions, you can drop them below. I may do a video later on like the full frontal install, but as for right now, it's just a little bit too time consuming to do so. But thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.